happy Thursday, happy Halloween. Woo! I hope you all have a wonderful day and have fun trick-or-treating or whatever it is you may end up doing this evening. But as you can see, today's video is the November test tube. So I went ahead and opened the box because they do always send it in a box, and there is always the tube itself and then some items maybe that won't fit in there. So before we get into the products, I'm going to briefly tell you about Test Tube Beauty. First, let me say thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. Guys, don't forget we have quite a few giveaways going on. They will all be linked down below. I believe we have 4 or 5 active giveaways right now. So definitely check out the links below and enter if you have not already. But Test Tube Beauty. So it is a bi-monthly subscription, which I really like. I really like bi-monthly subscriptions because they're not as hard of a hit on your wallet, for one, and you don't get overloaded so much with different products. It gives you time to actually try the product and use it and then receive something else. So that I do enjoy. Now, Test Tube Beauty, again, like I said, it is bi-monthly. It is $29.95 plus shipping. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out and sign up. I definitely recommend it. I have loved every tube that I have gotten. This is, I think, my 4th one, and I just love them so much. Like, the products that are in here are just fantastic, and it's not just skincare. Sometimes there's hair care products, you know, it's a variety, and I really like it. So like I said, I will put that link down below for you, but let's get in here. So we have a little pamphlet magazine. Now this will go over all of the different products that we have in our test tube, and it will give us pricing, and at the end I will put the pricing on the bottom of the screen that shows you the total value. So this is what I see when I open it. So ooh, there are quite a few that wouldn't fit in there. All right, so let's just go ahead and we will start with products outside of the tube. So, all right, it looks like the first product actually looks like, okay, so this could have been a variation. Interesting. I don't know that I've ever seen them do that. So this is from Chlorine, and it looks like we could have gotten either a body lotion or a shower gel. I got the shower gel, and I believe this is, because of the way they have lotion and then shower gel with the pricing, I believe this is $14. So here we have that, and this is all skin types. I see hibiscus, so I'm assuming that it's going to be a floral scent. Hibiscus flower shower gel. Yep. With Amazonian Cupacao butter. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Recognized nourishing properties. It's light, soap-free, texture gently cleanses all skin types without drying. Hibiscus flower fragrance with energizing notes of hibiscus, honeysuckle, and peony. Biodegradable formula and eco-designed tube. Apply a drop of gel to wet skin. Rinse thoroughly. Dermatologically tested. Let's see what it smells like. Usually, I'm not a huge fan of florals. That actually smells really good. It's not like it's light. I like that. And to be honest, I'm actually glad I got this over the body lotion because I have so many lotions. So I'm really excited that I got the shower gel. So product number 1 is a win. All right, and then it looks like the next option also could have been a variation, and it is from Virtue Labs, and you could have gotten the restorative treatment mask or dry shampoo. And let's see, it looks like I got the treatment mask, which I would have actually preferred the dry shampoo, but that's okay. So here it is. And this, again, based on how they put the pricing. This would be $30. It does have a safety seal. Oh, that smells really good. And you can see it's thick. It definitely has a coconut smell. Oh, that smells so good. Restorative treatment mask, Real Science, True Beauty. Let's see. I do like it's cruelty free. After cleansing hair, remove excess water and apply a generous amount, distributing evenly through hair. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse well. Use weekly or as needed. Let's see, do I say anything else here? Mask delivers a hydrating and conditioning boost. Okay, so it doesn't really go any more into detail. Definitely, like I said, has a coconut scent, nothing strong, and I like it. It smells really good. So I'm not mad at getting a hair mask. I just use dry shampoo a little bit more, but that's okay. All right, so our next product, and this I'm actually excited about, is, let's see, Elden Razor Shave Your Way. This looks so interesting. This is $10. And anything but average razor with a multi-pivot function that's designed to give you your closest shave yet. It says, use Elden in the shower or on the go. This compact ergonomic razor was designed to give women the easiest, smoothest shave possible. Hold it like a traditional razor or with the ergonomic finger ring. Elden is all about options. Gliding roller balls and a super flexible blade allow the razor to follow the body's natural curves, ensuring the smoothest and closest shave ever. And it has 6 blades. And then this shows you here on the back the different ways you could use that. I'm excited to try that. Like, I really am. Like, I'm really excited. However, I find it funny. Let me know if you're this person. I find it really funny that they put a razor in the November box or November tube, because who does No Shave November? Just asking. Just saying. Just asking. All right, and then let's see, we got one more item that's outside of the box, and this is Elden NY, New York. This is a grape stem cell treatment mask for all skin types. Brightens, antioxidants, detoxification, age defense, fights against photoaging. An all-natural fiber cloth made from biodegradable wood pulps has 50% more moisture than synthetic cloths. That triggers pores to fully take in the paraben-free beneficial ingredients. Awesome. So we actually, it's a 4-pack. So we have 4 masks in here. So they're sheet masks. And this looks like this could have been a variation as well. Could have gotten the grape stem cell treatment, which is what I got, or a lilac stem cell treatment. I'm glad I got grape. So yeah, got some sheet masks. So there's 4. I'm excited to try that. And these are, oh my gosh, $30. Okay. All right, so we're down to the tube. And isn't the tube like just fall? I love it. I love this. Box out of the way. All right. Oh. We have a Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. East Side Rouge. I'm guessing is maybe my color. Yeah, you can see that there. This is $21. Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. A curved bullet shape allows for a single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. So I'm guessing shades vary per tube. It says Brooklyn Beige or East Side Rouge. Okay, so you could have gotten apparently 2 different shades. I'm assuming this is going to be like a red because of rouge. So there is the outer packaging. Ooh, oh, y'all, look at that. And I like, it's different. You know what? I have a little bit of lipstick on. It's starting to come off, so. Oh, that feels really nice. I really like that. Yay! I've not seen test tube, at least to my memory, have so many variations. I mean, I realize some of it's the same products. It could just be like with the lipstick a different shade, or the mask, you could have gotten the gray with the lilac. But usually I don't think they have quite so many variations, but okay. Let's see. Then we have from New, I'm guessing it's new, NIU, New Body, Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Right here, this is $8. So it's like a sugar scrub for your lips. A delicious smelling and tasting exfoliant that's so natural you could eat it or just apply it to your lips for mega moisture and healthy skin. All right, so we got a Pina Colada lip scrub. Love lip scrubs. All right, and then we have Refresh Skin Therapy Fruit Acid 15% Gel Peel enhanced with kojic acid exfoliating solution. This is $36, an organic peel that helps improve the appearance of fine lines and pores. On clean skin, spread a thin layer over your entire face and neck. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes depending on tolerance. Rinse with cool water to neutralize the solution. It is cruelty-free. Says, reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Smooths away dry, rough skin. Lessens the appearance of dark spots, acne scarring, and melasma? Kojic acid is a natural skin brightener which reduces the appearance of dark spots. Naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, kojic acid also prevents acne and rosacea flare-ups. Okay. Well, I'm okay. And then this is the actual bottle. So it's a good size. And you usually with the test tube, you're supposed to get 8 products, and they can be, it's 8 or more actually, full size or deluxe size. So I'm thinking, I mean, except for maybe this, I'm not sure, but at 30, I think this was what, $30. So this may be the full size. I think we've gotten all full size items in this. So I'm excited to give this a try. I tell you, I love this box, this tube. I just love it. The products are so different, and you know, I mean, we got a razor, shower gel, we got some lipstick and a lip scrub, you know, a hair mask, sheet mask. I just love it because the variety is fantastic, and it's products you've never heard of, at least for me. I mean, I've heard of the L'Oreal lipstick, you know, but it just kind of expands and brings new products. So we have one final product in here. And this is the Vitabrid C12 Scalp Shampoo, and this is $32. This shampoo helps strengthen the hair root to create the look of volume from root to tip for incredibly voluminous and healthy looking hair. Apply to wet hair and scalp, massage into a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. And it's got a powerful proprietary blend of Vitabrid CG, stabilized vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and peptides promote the look and feel of thicker, fuller hair. Oh, it's made in Korea. It goes over, it's got biotin and menthol in it. A shampoo packed with safe and effective ingredients to improve scalp and hair health. Effectively strengthens the hair while increasing its body and volume. A clean and healthy scalp results in naturally healthy looking hair. Because it says it has, sorry, I'm bumping y'all. Whoops. Because this is menthol. I want to smell it. I mean, I definitely, like I said, this definitely would be full size. It's just over 10 ounces. It does have a safety seal. I don't really smell menthol. It actually smells pretty good, I think. It's kind of a light citrusy scent is what I'm picking up. But I'm definitely excited to try it. I'm, you know, all about keeping my hair and my scalp healthy, so I'm excited. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 products, and I would say they are all full size. So, I mean, we got shampoo, this really nifty little razor, the Pina Colada Sugar Lip Scrub right here, this gorgeous, gorgeous Laura Geller lipstick, the Refresh Skin Therapy Fruit Acid Gel Pill, ooh, the hair mask, the body wash, and the 4-pack of sheet masks. So I'm super excited. I definitely, again, I do think this is worth it. I love this. And again, I love that it's bi-monthly. So it gives you time to use the shampoo, to use the body wash, you know, and try these products out in case they send something similar in the next tube. You know, you're not sitting there with every month getting a new shampoo or some sort of face mask or whatever the case may be. I just love that it's bi-monthly. And again, I love the products. Every time I've gotten this box, there have been multiple products that I have never tried before. And aside from the Laura Geller, I've never tried any of these other products. So it opens up and shows you new products, and I love that about it. So let me know what you think down below. Do you get test tube? Were you happy with it? What variations did you get? Because apparently they had quite a few. So you could have gotten the lotion or shower gel. You could have gotten a different shade of lipstick. You could have gotten the dry shampoo versus the hair mask. You could have gotten the lilac sheet mask versus grape. So just let me know down below what you guys got if you do get the subscription. Again, don't forget about those giveaways. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween and don't get too crazy. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.